How to install phpMyChat in Installatron. This tutorial will show you how to install phpMyChat in Installatron. Go to Applications Browser. Find phpMyChat in the menu on the left. Click Install this application. Click Next to begin. If you have multiple domains, choose the one where this script should be installed. Set the path here. Click Next. Choose the version you want to install. You should pick the newest version unless you require an older release. Click Next. You must accept the end-user license agreement to install. Click I accept. Select your database settings. Leave the default to automatically create and set up a database for you. Click Next. Enter the desired admin username and password. Type your name. If your email is different than the one displayed here, you can change it. Enter names for each room to be created. Separate each by a comma as shown here. Click Next. Click Submit to install. After a moment, the software will be installed. This page will show details about the installation. Click Complete. Click this link to view your new installation. Here is your new software, ready to be used.